Maine is one of the most forested states in the country, making the risk of wildfires a concern, especially in our rural areas. That's why some towns on the Blue Hill Peninsula are coming together to help residents there reduce the risk through a community wildfire protection plan. This is an 18-month plan that focuses on identifying wildfire risks and outlines strategies to reduce them through fire prevention, mitigation, and emergency preparedness.
It's very important for our towns to recognize that with climate change, high wind, less rain, higher heat, there's an increased risk of wildfire risk. And this is a project that will enable our towns, all 9 towns, to be more informed, to help owners deal with risk around their homes.
After that 18-month period, leaders hope information gathered from the plan can better guide communities on how to adapt to changing conditions and recover more quickly when there is a wildfire.